Welcome to springlib.
To determine the average value per year for free maintenance that the lawnmower company should advertise with a confidence level of 95%, we can use the sample data and conduct a confidence interval calculation. So we're given that n is equal to 200. The reported first maintenance cases, which would be X, is 187. The disqualified participants is 35. The average first maintenance per year would be the sample mean is 5.3 and the standard deviation is 1.28. So first we need to adjust the sample size by subtracting the number of disqualified participants from the original sample size. So the adjusted sample size would be 200 minus 35, which is going to be 165. And now we can calculate the standard error of the mean. The standard error is equal to the standard deviation divided by the square root of the sample size, so that's going to be 1.28 over the square root of 165. And 1.28 over the square root of 165 we'll just leave it at that. It is about, it's about 0.10. Using a t-distribution table or statistical software, you could find that the critical t-value for a 95% confidence level with 164 degrees of freedom is about 1.972. And so the margin of error is equal to that critical t-value times this standard error. So it would be 1.972 times 0.10. And that's about 0.197. And now we can construct the confidence interval, because the confidence interval is the mean plus or minus the margin of error. And so our mean is 5.3 plus or minus 0.197. And so, does it say how many decimals to round to? It doesn't. So the lower boundary would be found by subtracting. That would be 5.3 minus 0.197, which I'll just put it one decimal place as well. We'll say 5.1. And we can think of this as 0.2. And then the upper boundary would be 5.5. So that would be the estimated average value per year for free maintenance within at 95% confidence. So the benefits of knowing the estimated value is for marketing and advertising. The estimated average value per year for free maintenance can be used as a competitive advantage in marketing and advertising campaigns, and can attract potential customers who are interested in low maintenance lawnmower products. For pricing strategy, for customer satisfaction, by offering free maintenance that aligns with the estimated value, the company can enhance customer satisfaction. For quality control, monitoring the average value per year for free maintenance can provide insights into the product's durability and reliability. And for customer loyalty, providing free maintenance and advertised can contribute to building customer loyalty. Satisfied customers are more likely to remain loyal to a brand and recommend the lawnmower products to other people.